Hi friends, today we are going to make police patrol vehicle light project. Let's get started. In this project we need following components. We need breadboard, 5 red LED, 5 blue LED, totally 10 LED lights, 10 1K ohm resistors, 1 Arduino Uno board, few jumper wires. Now we want to make the circuit. For that, place the red LED on the breadboard. After placing the red LED, we have to place the blue LED. Look like this. Now we have to place the 1K ohm resistor for each LED. Please note, when you have placed the LED for your circuit, don't forget to connect the resistor for the LED. Otherwise, the LED will burst. Now take jumper wires, insert negative terminals of the all LEDs. Jumper wire have two pins, one pin connected to the negative terminal of the LED, another pin connected to the common ground of the breadboard. Take another 10 jumper wires, connect to the all positive terminal of the LED. Another pin should connected to the Arduino board in the following order as shown in the circuit diagram. First, you have to connect 5 red LEDs from pin number 2 to pin number 6. Next, we have to connect 5 blue LEDs from pin number 7 to pin number 11. After connecting all pins, the circuit look like this. Next part is coding. For that, we have to open Arduino IDE. This is the code I have written for this project. If you want full code, the link will be given in the description box. You can download it. Before uploading the code, we have to verify and go to Tools menu, check board and port, and then click the arrow button to upload the code. Next part is testing. Let's see how the project is working. This is the output of the project. The code is working. Look like real police patrol vehicle. This is all about today's project. Friends, you are not subscribing my channel yet. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next video. Bye.